Hi, my name's Emma, and welcome to my channel. I am currently traveling the U.S. in my Kia Sedona, and today is my first time seeing the Pacific Northwest coastline. I've never walked through the forest to get to the beach before. Crazy. Guys, I ain't never seen a starfish before. Look at this. Goddamn, boy. God. Dude, nature's gross. What's going on, buddy?
You're not my dad!
Hey, good morning.
You better stop!
Probably won't pick up on camera pretty well, but like there's so much life in here, you can hear it. You can hear it. There's lots of clicking and movement. Like all these little guys are tiny little crustaceans and they move, and it's so gross and so cool. God damn. Oh my god. Hi, is this the Krusty Krab? No, this is Patrick. I'm having way too much fun out here by myself. There's a biologist and his wife on this beach from Holland, and they've just been like showing me stuff, and he just like handed me a hermit crab. Like he goes, hey, here's this. Poor baby. I am walking back to my car to get some more beach stuff because I can't believe this. I'm gonna have a beach day. This book was all fine and good, but somewhere in my backpack the front cover just kind of fell off, so we just had to deal with that. Yeah, it is much later in the day. I have just been chilling on this beach. I took a nap. I tried to get in the water, but goddamn, it's very cold. I got up to crotch level, and then I couldn't do any more after the crotch. There's a library very close by that's open for another hour, so I think I'm gonna take advantage of that. So I spent some time at the library, and then I realized that I left my water bottle in the library, and the library is now closed, but look, I can see it in there. No. That completely changes my plans for tomorrow, because my plans for tomorrow require that I have a water bottle. This book sucked. I don't know what I expected, but I just finished it and it sucked. Good night though. Good night. Dude, I ripped through bread so fast, it's not even funny. Yeah, this day was pretty boring, but I spent the rest of the day at the library, and now I'm just kind of like figuring out what the hell I want to do tomorrow. So I think I want to go back to the beach. great time at the beach this morning. There's way too many people here now, so I'm gonna book it. I found a beach that looks like it's probably gonna be a little bit more private. I am headed to Aberdeen to look for a shower. I just can't believe I'm on Highway 1 now. I'm on the PCH right now. So fucking cool. Damn, this place has been so cool. Thank you, ocean. So I'm at an Anytime Fitness now, and I'll probably head towards Rainier tomorrow, in the general direction of Rainier. I just don't feel like driving like 3 hours tomorrow, so I may split it up. Good morning. I woke up in this parking lot. I'm waiting to kill some time because there's a Dollar Tree, but it doesn't open until 8, and I keep losing the things that I love, including my Johnson & Johnson purple baby soap. So I gotta get some soap, and I also need some like other little random things. I got a latte to kill some time, and we shall see how it is. Damn, girl, it's pretty good. So I found this spot to pull off and sleep for the night, and there's nobody else here, and oh shit, oh. There's a little walkway. There's a little walkway down to the water. Humans are really cute. We will traverse any weird little path from any height just to be by water.